Loveless, opportunity like this, don't wait, and neither should you. A remote customer support job paying $21 an hour? To me, that's a game changer. If you are ready to ditch the commute and work from anywhere, click that link and apply today. Your future self will thank you. When you click on the link, it brings you to this page. And trust me, yours truly, it's going to link this on the description and comment section. Okay? So right here, it's a proofreader AI trainer. Okay? This is data annotation. It's committed to creating quality AI. Join our team to help train AI chatbots while gaining the flexibility of remote work and choosing your own schedules. You see that, Lovelace? All right. And it says, we are looking for a proofreader to join our team and teach AI chatbots. You will have conversation with chatbots in order to measure their progress, as well as write novel conversations in order to teach them what to say. You see that? As part of the application process, you will be asked to complete an assessment. If you pass, you will gain access to projects. Based on the quality of your work, you will continue to receive projects regularly. We find our most successful candidates work between 5 to 20 hours per week and up to 40 hours per week. Lovely, this is more like a full time. And I told you opportunities like this, they are rare to come by. And you are completely doing this from home. And this right here is the benefit. It said, this is a full-time or part-time remote position. You see that? It's put in capital letter, remote. You get to work from the comfort of your home. If you choose to dress corporate in your home, that's your choice. If you choose to be your pajamas, it is your choice. You are working while sitting on your couch. You will be able to choose which projects to work on. You can work on flexible hour. Projects are paid hourly with bonuses for high quality and high volume work. The responsibilities, these are what you are expected to do. It says come up with diverse conversation over a range of topic, write high quality answers when given specific prompts, compare the performance of different AI model, research and fact check AI responses. Okay? And then the qualification. Guys, all you need is to be fluent in English. A bachelor degrees completed or in progress, excellent writing and grammar skills, strong research and fact checking skills to ensure accuracy and originality. And it says, note, payment is made via PayPal. We will never ask for any money from you. So this right here is legit because it's telling you that they are not going to ask for any money from you. Okay? The job type is contract. Pay from 21. The least you can get is $20. Okay? Pay from $20. Work location, remote. All right? And the base pay is $20 per hour. Guys, you see that? I'm not making this up. And in order to apply, you go to apply on employer's site. You want to click on this right top. So once you click on this top right button, it says apply on employer site. It's going to take you directly on the page where you're going to be required to put in your information. Okay, or you can click on this beneath. It still takes you to the same site. And just so you know, you have to create an account with Glassdoor. If you don't have an account, create it. What it takes is just your name and your email address. And if you do, On this page where it takes you, it's going to ask you to sign in. In my situation, I already signed in. So come with me as I click on apply on employer site. So this right here is where it brings you. If you have not signed in already, it's going to bring you to a page where it says sign in. And there you put in your email. But because I already signed in, here it's just taking my information. And this is what you're going to do. They said, what's your email? You type your email. For instance, I'm just going to type Tina Fu, yeah, I put in this. I said, okay, but use your email. What's your first name? You can use any name, Tina or Joseph, whatever the case may be. All right? Okay? And then you press OK. It's going to say, nice to meet you. Joseph, what's your last name? Maybe Harry. You just, put in your information. This is so easy to apply. And this is walking you through this step by step. All right. What's a good phone number for you? You want to put in your phone number and click on submit. All right. Once you submit, it takes you to the next page where it tells you more about this job and asks you to submit your resume if you have one. So lovelies, this right here is step by step and it's not difficult at all. Lovelies, opportunities like this don't wait, and neither should you. A remote customer support job paying $21 an hour, to me, that's a game changer. If you are ready to ditch the commute and work from anywhere, click the link and apply today. Your future self will thank you. And hey, I believe you subscribed to this video. You liked it. Share with your family and friends for more legit remote job leads and career tips. Thank you for watching. Now go get that job.